Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can delete bulk Google Groups via CSV list in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight. There are often times when the manager needs to delete bulk Google Groups in Google Workspace. Although Google Admin Console does have this option, but it only allows selecting 50 entries at a time. And in a professional environment of big organizations, there are hundreds of groups. So how to delete hundreds of groups at a time? Foresight is a great tool that helps in getting this task done via CSV file. Let's see how Foresight bulk deletes Google Groups. Rule creation. First, we need a CSV list of groups to be deleted. There is a link given in the I button and in the video description on how to export the Google Groups list using Foresight. So here is the CSV, opened in Google Sheets. Please note, for the demo purpose, we will only keep 4 groups and remove those entries from CSV that we don't want to delete. But in a real case scenario, we can handle hundreds or even thousands of groups at a time with the help of Foresight. The CSV has only one column, the email, which is the group email. We will download this file in CSV format. Now follow these steps. Step 1. Log into Foresight with Google Admin account. Go to the Rule page and click the New Rule button. Step 2. Select the Data Upload trigger and upload the CSV file that we have just downloaded. Wait for the file to be parsed. Then click Next. Step 3. Select the Delete Group action. First, you may need to grant permission to Foresight in the Google Workspace account by clicking the Sign In with Google button. After access is granted, you will see an Access Granted label. In the Group Email field, select Email. If you don't see any options, please type opening double curly brackets to see the options. Click Review. Step 4. Enter the rule name and click Create. As you can see, the rule has been created. Triggering the rule. Step 5. Now click on the upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verifying results. Some notifications will appear in the top right corner. Click on View Log or click on Show All to see the logs page. You can also go to the logs page from the left sidebar. As you can see, the rule is triggered successfully. Also in the Google Admin Console, the 4 groups have been deleted. We can confirm by entering the emails of each group in the filter one by one. So you have seen how Foresight is helpful for Google admins, which makes their routine work fast and efficiently. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.